Imagine waking up and seeing money flow into your account, not because you worked for it today, but because of something you built yesterday. Sound too good to be true? What if I told you it's not just possible, it's happening every day for people who think differently? That's passive income. It's not luck. It's leverage. It's strategy. And it starts with asking one powerful question. What can I create today that keeps paying me tomorrow? In this video, we're unpacking 10 real scalable ways to build passive income and the mindsets that make them work. Some of these you've heard before, but not like this. Others might just open a door you never knew existed. Ready to stop hustling for every dollar? Then keep watching, because one of these ideas might change everything. Digital products. Build it once, sell it forever. What if your best idea could earn money while you sleep for years? If you've got knowledge, creativity, or a useful system, you can turn it into digital gold. Think ebooks, templates, printables, Notion dashboards, or stock photography. The best part? No boxes, no shipping, no burnout. Just pure scale. You upload it to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, and it starts working for you 24/7. But here's the question. Are you letting perfection stop you from launching? Done is better than perfect. One scrappy product can evolve into a brand empire, but only if you hit publish. What's one skill you have that others would pay to shortcut? Affiliate marketing. Become the bridge, not the seller. What if you could earn money every time someone trusted your advice? Affiliate marketing lets you recommend tools, services, or products and get paid when people buy through your links. No inventory, no customer service, just influence. But here's the challenge. Would you trust you? Building trust means serving first through helpful content, honest reviews, or entertaining breakdowns. Whether it's a YouTube video on your favorite gear or a blog about life hacks, think of it like this. You're not selling, you're guiding. And the more value you bring, the more quietly your income grows behind the scenes. Dividend stocks. Let money work for you, literally. Can your money earn more money while you go about your life? That's exactly what dividend stocks do. You invest once and get paid regularly just for holding shares. Companies like Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola have been doing this for decades. But here's what most people miss. Are you thinking long enough? This isn't fast money. It's slow, steady compounding. Reinvest your dividends and your earnings begin to multiply. One small investment today could become tomorrow's paycheck. So ask yourself, are you working for money or training your money to work for you? Print on demand. Sell your ideas, not your inventory. What if your imagination could pay your rent? Print on demand lets you design shirts, mugs, and more without ever holding inventory. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Printified do the heavy lifting. Your job: create emotionally charged designs that people feel seen by. Think less about fashion and more about identity. Dog lovers, introverts, book nerds, these are your tribes. Ask yourself, what belief or emotion can I put on a t-shirt that someone would wear like a badge? One viral design can make your inbox sing. What message are you ready to put out into the world? Online courses. Teach once, get paid repeatedly. What if you could turn your life experience into someone else's breakthrough? Online courses allow you to teach what you know and get paid over and over again. You don't need to be a guru. You just need clarity and a system. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific make setup easy. But the real question is, are you teaching for information or transformation? Solve one specific problem. Break it down. Make it real. A good course becomes your digital salesperson that never sleeps. The world is full of problems. Which one are you uniquely qualified to solve? If this video is lighting up new ideas for you and you're starting to feel the spark of what's possible, take a moment to like this video and share it with someone stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck loop. Remember, your support helps spread practical freedom through strategy, not luck. You're here for a reason. Maybe this is the start of your shift. YouTube. One video, years of earnings. Could one video earn you money for the next 5 years? On YouTube, it's not just possible, it's happening every day. Each upload becomes a digital asset, earning through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and more. The secret: niche down, speak to one person, solve one problem, and keep showing up. Ask yourself, what's the one question your audience is desperately searching for today? If you answer it well, even a 1,000-view video can become a money machine. Consistency wins. Are you planting seeds or just waiting for fruit? Real estate rentals. Bricks that print money. What if your next address could pay you to live there? Real estate remains one of the most time-tested passive income builders. Rent out a property and earn while its value rises. Use Airbnb, hire property managers, or house hack your own space. It's not about being rich. It's about being smart. Ask yourself, could one smart purchase today become a lifetime of cash flow? Because it's not just rent. It's wealth building on autopilot. If your home can be your biggest liability, why not turn it into your greatest asset? Licensing your work. Let others pay to use what you made. Have you ever created something once and wished it could keep earning forever? Licensing makes that real. Musicians, developers, designers, you can license your work for others to use and get paid each time. From Canva templates to Shutterstock photos to website themes, your past projects can become future paychecks. Ask yourself, what have I already created that someone else could use? You don't need millions of fans, just a system. Your digital portfolio could be a quiet money machine. So what's hiding on your hard drive right now? Blogging. Write once, rank forever. What if your words could outrun time? A well-written blog can generate passive income for years through ads, affiliate links, and even your own products. The secret: SEO. Find a question, solve it better than anyone else, and let Google do the rest. But here's the twist. Are you writing for algorithms or for people? Real humans read. Serve them, and the rankings will follow. Use tools like Ubersuggest to find keywords, but write like you're helping your past self. Because if one post from 2024 can pay you in 2029, why not start writing it now? Royalties from books, music, or apps. Assets that keep paying. What if every time someone downloaded your work, you got paid without lifting a finger? That's the power of royalties. Write a book, publish a song, build a mobile app. Platforms like Amazon KDP, DistroKid, or the App Store make distribution simple, but most people stop at the finish line. Ask yourself, are you creating for attention or for longevity? The more evergreen your asset, the longer it pays. Don't just make something great. Make it discoverable, because the internet never sleeps, and neither does passive royalty income. Passive income isn't about avoiding work. It's about doing the kind of work that buys back your time, the kind that multiplies when you walk away. Every stream you build is a step away from survival mode and a step closer to freedom. You don't need 10 of them, just one. But here's the final question. Will you keep waiting for the perfect time, or will you start building your future today? Choose the path that compounds. Your time is your most valuable asset. Invest it wisely and let your income do the heavy lifting.